Area local leaders are concerned about seeing a second wave of the coronavirus. Numbers are showing that may be the case. 8 on your side's Marco Villarreal is joining us in Tampa tonight with that story. And Marco, this new concern is amplified because of what we're seeing at these protests. So many people so close together.
That's correct, Keith. And remember when we were asked to keep gatherings at a minimum of 10 people or less? Well, that's no longer happening, and health officials are concerned they're going to see a surge in the number of cases of COVID-19. It's something this country has not seen in some time. Beyond the passionate cries for the end of police brutality and racial injustice, crowds of hundreds and thousands of people have gathered in one place.
Specifically, we're here to speak for or to represent the Black community and to make sure that there's justice for the people that have lost their lives.
Protests are happening in a world where the coronavirus continues to infect people.
The need for things to change and the place that we're at in our country is superseding that. Like, people are so upset. And if you feel like you have nothing left to lose and your life is already threatened, maybe the virus isn't top of mind to you.
It is on the mind of local leaders, though. Thursday at the Hillsborough County Emergency Policy Group meeting, members expressed concern over new numbers from the Department of Health.
For us, the last 14 days, both the numbers and our trajectories have been high and are increasing.
8 on your side found the number of deaths may not be climbing, but the upward trend of COVID-19 cases is important to note as protests continue. And phase 2 of reopening Florida will allow more people into businesses. These protesters say they'll be wearing their masks, albeit for different reasons.
For me, it's not necessarily COVID. For me, it's just protect my identity in case anything were to go south.
Also, because I don't want to get sick, and obviously that's a big part of it too, and passing it on to other people.
And the Department of Health was at first concerned that the reason they were seeing that trend was because a lot more people were now getting tested. And if there is a resurgence of the virus here in Tampa Bay, we'll need that extra testing. Reporting live in Tampa, Marco Villarreal, 8 on your side.